Today, I'm going to show you a selection of tips to help give you a good morning by making your morning routine as quick and simple as possible. This video is sponsored by Belvita, and I'll be showing you their breakfast biscuits later. To wake yourself up in the morning, you probably set an alarm on your mobile phone and keep it on the bedside table in case you need it in the night. But to stop yourself from snoozing too long, you can also place an alarm clock the other side of the room and set it for 1 minute later, so you've got to get out of bed to switch it off. Once your phone alarm has woken you up, try making your bed from in bed to save time later. Pull your duvet out nice and straight and fluff your pillows. Slide yourself out and tuck the sides underneath the mattress for your instantly made bed. Try and get this done before your alarm clock goes off. If you like to have a workout in the morning, you can sleep in your running gear. So all you have to do is put your trainers on and you're ready to go. You can get your work clothes out ready the night before so you know what to wear. And in the winter you can hang them on the radiator so they're nice and warm in the morning. If you find your shirt is a little crumpled, you can hang it up in the bathroom whilst you're taking a shower. And the steam will help to remove any creases. You can brush your teeth and shave in the shower to save a bit more time. And you can use shaving foam to stop your mirror fogging up. Rub some onto the mirror and wipe it off with a cloth. And you should find it stops it steaming up. You can exfoliate using used coffee granules in a filter paper to leave your skin feeling nice and refreshed. Hair straighteners can double up as a useful iron to crisp up your collar and down the front of your shirt. You can leave anything important that you don't want to forget next to or inside your work shoes by the door to help make sure you don't leave the house without them. If you want to make a quick cup of filtered coffee, you can place a filter paper into a cup, hold it in place with an elastic band, and make your coffee in the cup. Let it filter through and carefully remove the filter. You can also do this with loose leaf tea. For a convenient, tasty breakfast, try Belvita breakfast biscuits, specially designed for breakfast. They're made with a combination of grains and come in 5 different ranges. They're individually wrapped, so it's one less thing to think about on busy mornings. And if you want to enjoy it with some fruit, you can use a small drinking glass to help peel a kiwi really quickly. You can try spreading a layer of natural yogurt on your biscuit and sit the kiwi on top. They taste delicious. I hope you like these tips. Stay safe, enjoy your breakfast, and thanks for watching.